Hey everyone, welcome to AC Academy, and today we're going to be working in Algebra 1, section 1.1.2, and this is solving a formula for a specified variable. So if we look at question 1 here, right, create an equation equal to 6x minus 8y, and that equals 12. So if we're looking at this, let me go ahead and get the pen ready. Sorry. If we're looking at this, we want an equation. Now, unless they specify, like, what does x equal, right? Whenever they say create an equation, they're usually referring to a y equals mx plus b, right? So standard format, you have your equation, and you're naturally solving for y. So y equals some slope, so m, some rate of change, plus some constant here. If we take this equation, 6x minus 8y equals 12, we begin by solving for y, okay? So we have 6x minus 8y equals 12. And I'd like to make this y positive. Just me, but generally, otherwise you have to flip the whole equation if y comes out negative over here, right? So we're going to add 8y and add 8y to this side. And I'm going to do some slight rearranging. So we have 8y plus 12 equals 6x. That becomes 8y equals 6x minus 12, right? Because we did a minus 12 over here, so we did a minus 12 here. Now we want to solve for y by itself, so we're going to have to divide this equation, this whole thing, divide it by 8, because that is a constant in front of y. So we have y equals 6 over 8 x minus 12 over 8. Okay? And you can simplify this all you want. So you can 3/4 x minus what? 3 over 2. Right. So, yeah, that's the first question here. And that's solving this. So this equation right here that we just solved for is equal to that. You could also solve for x. So if we wanted to do that really fast, I'm going to write solving for x. So if the equation, if this thing specified that we should solve for x, we could take this equation, which is a y equals 3 over 4x minus 3 over 2, and then we can add a 3 over 2. So we have y plus 3 over 2 equals 3 over 4x. And what we want to do here is you can just divide by 3 over 4 or 0.75, and then you'll have x equals y plus 3 over 2, all of this over 3 over 4. Okay? All right. So going to the next question. And again, if you have any questions over that, go ahead and put them in the comment section, and I will get to them. Create an equation equal to 2x plus 6y equals 3. And the same thing, we want to solve for y. Y equals mx plus b. Now, if the question asks solve for x or solve for a specific variable, you use the same approach. Just in these, I'm solving in the standard format here. So that's just the approach I'm using. So first thing, let's write out the equation 2x plus 6y equals 3. The first thing we want to do is subtract this 2x over here, right? So we want to isolate y. We have 6y equals negative 2x plus 3. Okay. Now we're going to divide by 6. Divide by 6. We have y equals negative 2 over 6 x plus 3 over 6. And if we want to simplify, y equals negative 1 over 3 x plus 1/2. Same thing if we want to solve for x. So we have this. Can I draw in a different color? No. Okay, so y equals negative 1 over 3 x plus 1/2. Let's solve for x. So let's go ahead and minus 1/2, right? Minus 1/2, what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. So y minus 1/2 is equal to negative 1/3x. Now, let's divide by negative 1/3. Divide by negative 1/3. And then we have an x equals y, y minus 1/2 over negative 1/3. Right, and again, you can greatly reduce that. You can simplify that, and sometimes people count off points for not simplifying, but overall, you get the general idea. The rest of this is just reducing fractions. But okay, yeah. Hopefully, y'all understood that one. If there's any questions over this, again, put them in the comment section. If you have any specific questions over the topic or the lesson itself, again, go ahead, put them in the comment section or send me an email and I will get back to you. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll upload more videos soon. Again, if you'd like to see any topics covered, just go ahead and let me know. Until next time, guys. Thanks.